If you're new here, my name is Jacqie, and yeah, I know it's spelled weird with a Q, pronounced with a K, but it is what it is. Today's video is about a one eyeshadow look, super simple, just enough to make you look like you tried, even though you did try a little, but not as hard as it made you look like you tried. Did that? I don't think that made sense, but I think you understand what I mean. So, this channel is all about beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. And if you enjoy beauty-related content, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me. And next to that is a little bell. Ring the bell, and you will become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. And YouTube will alert you, if they're doing their job, as soon as my videos go up. In my description box, there are my social media handles to my Instagram and Twitter. Feel free to follow me on those if you want. If you don't, hey, whatevs. I see how it is. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you can follow me on those. All right. I'm pretty sure that's all I don't know why I just looked around like that. I'm pretty sure that's all I had to say, so let's get into this video. Well, this is going to be a one and done eyeshadow look, and it's going to be gorgeous. Don't mind my hair, it's a hot, stinking mess. So, alright, first, of course, we start off with some eye primer. Believe Beauty eye primer. You wanna know what's funny? We're gonna be using a Believe Beauty eyeshadow palette as well. Yes, for one color. One. Uno. Having a hard time getting some stuff out of this. I have got to get more. That's it. Telling my husband this weekend I need more primer from Believe Beauty, because I believe this is about gone. I just snorted. Isn't that fun? I'm so weird. I don't think I got all my mascara off yesterday. Oopsie poopsie. Oh well. Can't win them all, right? Or can you? Oh, that is the question. Every once in a while I'll get lucky digging in there and I'll get some on the wand. Not very often, but it happens. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay, so today we are going to be using the Believe Beauty Golden Disco eyeshadow palette. I don't know why, but I was like, I am determined to do a one and done eye look. Because you know me, I'm like, this is a one and done. Well, let me add a little in the crease. And like, no, I'm not doing it this time. I'm not. It's a one and done. That's what it's gonna be. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, this is what it looks like without the lid. Isn't it gorgeous? We're gonna use this shade right here. And we're gonna put it on the lid. And then we're gonna fluff it. And then that's the only one we're using, darn it. So here we go. Popping that bad boy. Ooh, I like it. On the lid. Oh, see? It's a beautiful shade. So easy, so simple. Just when you want to look put together, but you just don't have the time to be put together, you know. That is lovely. I like that. That is very pretty. I might spray it though, because I feel like its va-va-voom disappears after a momento. So, I'm gonna take my trusty water, put it on my finger, bam, and we are going to dampen it. And that's what we're gonna do. Maybe one more time. And then we go over it again. And for this look, you don't even need an eyeliner. You just throw on mascara and it's like, hey, how you doing? Looky me, I'm pretty. I'm ridiculous today, guys. I don't know why. It's just one of those days. It's just one of them days. There we go. And it kind of like brightens your eye too, like your eye look, like it kind of makes your eyes like, woo, look at me, I'm awake. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? If you do, tell me in the comments. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't even need to fluff the edges. Look at this. This is like, what do you need to flush the What do you need to flush? Oh my, flush. What do you need to fluff the edges for? It looks fantastic. Oh my gosh. All right, let's curl. Oh man, gotta clean off my lash curler from when I used it the last time. All right. Okay, curled eyelashes, watering eyes because I pinched too hard. Good job. Okay. And of course, you know, mascara. Wow, I really didn't. How did I not get mascara off so poorly on this eye, but I did on this eye? Weird. Weirdness. Okay, so that was my lash princess. Hold on. Corner of my eye is watering. I don't enjoy that. And then Sky High. Okay, so now that that is done with that, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and we'll be back to finish this look. I'll figure out something to do on the bottom lash. So hang in there. I'll be right back. So, as you can see, I just did some subtle makeup, just a little bit of bronzer, some blush that somehow always disappears when I spray my face with setting spray. Some highlight, brows, the huge, you know, the huge. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I've decided just to use mascara. Just because it's just such a subtle, simple, easy, out the door kind of look. Oh, for my face, I use the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Tinted Moisturizer. So there's that. Okay. Mascara. Why am I slouching? Well, Jacqie, you always slouch when you do your bottom mascara for some really stupid reason. I'm using the Sky High mascara too, just by the way. See? Oh, pretty. Do you see? Do you see? Yeah, do ya? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya? Alright. And for the lip, I'm thinking a nude liner with this E.L.F. Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss. Simple. Simple. Unless you have to wear a mask. Man, I hope I don't have to wear a mask. It all depends on if my son wants to stop at the dollar store or not. In which case you can throw on a matte lipstick in a similar shade or something, you know. So this is Nude by Gerard Cosmetics. Just to help the gloss stay, I'm also going to just fill in my lips with it. Perfect for me. I was going to say it's like the perfect nude shade, but as we all know, everybody's nude shades are different. We're not all the same. But for me, that one's perfect. Okay, so we're using the Mint Melt Plumping Lip Gloss. I don't know why I almost choked on that word. Oh, and this is in mint chocolate. Did I say that? No, I didn't. It is in the shade Mint Chocolate. I don't know if they make more than one shade. Haven't looked too far into it. This side of my nose always itches after my makeup's done. It's like there's a hair there, but there isn't. So stop it. All right. Okay. That was fun. Hang on. I love that this smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. I love that smell. I don't know. I think the, if I'm not mistaken, I believe this Mint Melt Cooling Facial Primer also smells a little bit like, well, I know it smells like mint, but it kind of smells the same as this. So I guess it kind of smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. If you don't like mint, you won't like it. But I love mint. I cannot wait to get my orders in. I am so excited. To play with new makeup? Oh my god. Not very often I'm able to get new makeup, but when I can, I get very excited. Okay. I like it. Alright. I'm gonna blot because I always have to blot. I don't know why. It's like that self-conscious thing. Only blot a little just because I don't want it on my teeth. Okay, ladies and gents. This is the final look. So simple. One eyeshadow. It's pretty. You look like you tried, and well, of course you tried, but like you didn't try that hard. And yeah, you look put together and presentable. And sorry, I just shook the whole table. And yeah, I don't know. I just feel very fresh and put together today. And I didn't even have to take 2 hours to do it. I didn't even take one. So yeah, that's today's look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a thumbs up because it helps my channel out a lot. I know everybody says that, but they're not lying. I mean, we say it for a reason. It's true. And yeah, I hope you will tune in for future videos. I cannot wait to get the stuff that I ordered. I cannot predict when it will come because I just ordered it and I'm not sure it's shipped yet. I haven't checked my email, so yeah. So yeah, hopefully you will come back for those videos because I got some fun stuff and we are going to have fun with the stuff. So I hope you will return for those videos and feel free to rewatch any of my other videos if you want. I mean, they're there for a reason to be watched. Alright, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I also hope that you have a wonderful day.